I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water, go, 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 go. He ate up all the soap. And now he's home, sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Should we sing it again? It's this for apple, shiny, red, and sweet. Crunch, 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 what a yummy treat. This is for banana, yellow like the sun. Peel it slowly, yum, yum, yum. Cup is for cherry, tiny, round, and red. Pop it in your tummy before bed. Wheat is for dragon fruit, pink outside too. White and spotty inside for me and you. Hat is for elderberry, little berry small. Tiny, fruity friends for one and all. Hat is for fig, soft and purple too. Figs are tasty, how about you? Peck is for grapes, hanging on a vine. Purple, green, juicy, fine. Hoe is for honeydew, melon, sweet and green. Coolest little fruit you've ever seen. I is for ice apple, juicy in the heat. Wiggle wobble fruit is fun to eat. Jet is for jackfruit, giant and big. Sweet yellow pieces dance a little jig. Pit is for kiwi, fuzzy brown outside. Bright green inside with seeds that hide. F is for lemon, sour with a squeeze. Pucker up slowly, wheeze. Hat is for mango, orange soft and sweet. Sticky little fingers and happy dancing feet. How is for nectarine, smooth like a peach. Take a little bite, yum in reach. O is for orange, juicy every day. Peel it round and smell away. H is for pineapple, spiky crown so tall. Sweet golden fruit for big and small. Q is for quince, yellow like the moon. Quince says see you very soon. R is for raspberry, tiny and red. Roll it gently, bump, bump, bed. L is for strawberry, heart-shaped delight. Red and yummy morning, noon and night. H is for tangerine, easy peel fun. Little orange slices for everyone. U is for oogly fruit, funny and indeed. Citrus fruity goodness is all you need. V is for vanilla fruit, growing on a vine. Smells so sweet and tastes divine. W is for watermelon, big and green outside. Pink and juicy with seeds inside. Cut is for seagull, watermelon too. Crunchy, juicy, fresh for you. Wit is for yellow pear, soft and bright. Take a little nibble, what a happy bite. Z is for zucchini, yes, it's a fruit. Green and healthy, cute, cute, cute. A to Z, fruits for me. Healthy, happy as can be. Sing along and dance today. Pretty fun in every way.
I run super fast, but only for fun, like chasing butterflies.
Sunset is my favorite. The jungle looks like it's smiling at me. I may look wild, but I'm soft inside. Bye-bye, friends. The end. Hi, friends. I'm a leopard and I live in the wild, but I'm not scary at all. I have spots like chocolate chips, mokomi, but don't count them, and I have a lot.
I'm really good at climbing trees. I even nap up here like a skybed clute.
I am a tiger, fierce, fearless, and strong. and confidence through the wild. My stripes shine like flames, and my roar commands attention.
I am fast, grand, full of courage. And 10. I am fast, brave, and full of courage. I am a tiger, bold, powerful, and unstoppable.